All right, good morning everyone. So today we're just talking about our Bump It Up assignment. So I'm just going to show you how to do it. So what's going to happen today is pretty neat. Half of us are going to be going straight to the Halton Cloud, and the other half of us are going to be going to mrsteltman.com. So if your name is the top one in our group, which I'll show you today, you will be going to mrsteltman.com, and if your name is not the top one, you will be going to the Halton Cloud to log in. So I'm just going to show you. So if your name is the top on the group, you go to mrsteltman.com. You see our work for today, grade 3 work for Bump It Up. So you're going to click on this, and this is if your name is the top one, and you're going to sign in. Make sure you use the right password or it won't work. So now you sign in, and it's going to get you in your work. So this is yours now. You own this. You're the first person in yours. So you're going to go File, make a copy right away, and you're going to call it your name. So I'm Mr. S, and whoever the partner or partners in your group is. So let's say I was partnered with Mrs. Kelly. So then I'll create this document. Good. And now I need to share it with them so that they see it. So I go Share. I'm going to just pretend to share it with my mrsteltman@gmail.com. So I'm not going to email my. So you're going to share it with them, which is great. You don't need to have them send an email. So you just share. So then click. So this right here is where you're going to put your partner's name. So if Feroz is with Abdullah, he writes Abdullah. And you start spelling their last name. That's where you have to work with them on spelling. Click Share and Save. Okay. Yes. Good. Now what they have to do, so now you have the work and they have the work. So what they've done is they've gone to Halton Cloud and they've signed in. So I'm going to just sign in on my other account to show you what they do. Add account. So they sign in, and in there shared with me, right at the top is, can you bump this up? So they're going to open this up. So now both of you are on the same work. I'm here, you can see there's my other character, and I'm here and there's my other character. And so what you guys can do is you guys can chat using this feature. Hey, I think we need to. And so over here, you can see the chat has popped up. Alright, and so now I'm going to explain what your work is. So you're both working on the exact same document. There's 2 of you or 3 of you working on the same thing. And let's read what it says. So it says, work with a partner or partners to bump up this piece of writing. Don't forget to use the success criteria to help you with your writing. Be creative, add parts, delete parts, and have fun sharing. We'll share with the class when we're all done. So success criteria. Hey, here it is right at the bottom of the page. So if you need to know, we need to know it has an introduction with feelings, settings, and a hook, a body that has events and order linking words, and a conclusion that connects to the introduction and wraps up the whole story. So there's your success criteria. You're both on this piece of work, working, and when you're writing, you're bumping up this. On the weekend, I had a play date with my friends. We did lots of fun stuff. I liked having my friend over. It was time for my friend to go home. We decided to build Lego. So be as creative as you can, and you can both be writing down here. So maybe I start out with the first sentence. This weekend was, and over here I see, oh look, I already wrote it. So this weekend was, and I've got a great adjective here, amazing, okay? Whatever you want to do, but bump this piece up from a level 2 that it is now to try and do a level 4. Okay, you can use the chat feature, but both work together. When we're all done, we'll tweet out the best ones. I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions, I'll be floating around in the lab to make sure that we can do this, okay? All right, bye-bye.